Hi, my name is David Ellinger, and I am sending this because I am teaching your bundle of joy, your son and or daughter, in geometry here at Seattle Prep. And so I'm just inviting you to come to open to our, well, we call it back to school night, but it's really parent night that's going to be next Tuesday, September 7th. And you'll have a chance to meet me and go over some stuff from the class. Just a real quick, like, sort of sneak preview, and then we'll mostly just like allow people to answer questions or ask questions about these things. I'll do a little intro about myself and talk about that. I'm going to talk about what the kids are going to learn. Feel free to pause this video if you want to actually read the stuff on here, but I'll be presenting it next week. What are the kids going to learn? Like, what are some of the points of emphasis for us this year? Any unusual grading procedures? Parents often want to know about that, so we'll talk about that. If your kid is struggling, then what options are available and what resources do we have to help out? And then what's the class like? We have kind of an interesting structure that we're trying out to begin the year, and so we're giving that a shot. So I'll go over these things very quickly. I only have 10 minutes with each group, with each class. And so if you have detailed questions or you want to ask sort of a bigger question, then please feel free to send me an email. We can arrange a time to talk, or we can send emails, or we can meet here. There's all kinds of ways that we could communicate any concerns you have or any questions you have, and try to answer those. And then I'll just say a quick thing about myself, just so you know, okay, who's this person? Like, in case you can't make it, who's this person? As I said up at the top, my name is Dave Ellinger. I've been this is my 27th year here at Seattle Prep, and I've taught every math class here except for computer science. Currently, I teach 3 geometry sections. I teach AP Statistics and AP Calculus. My son graduated from Seattle Prep, and my daughter is a junior this year. And I'm also an AP reader. Actually, I'm sporting the AP Statistics swag right now, and I'm a reader for the AP Statistics exam. And I'm excited to teach this year, and I'm excited to have the kids in class. It's still very challenging this year, and it's still an adjustment for all of us, but it seems to be going pretty well so far, and there's a good vibe the first week of school. Last thing I'll mention, just in case you're not here, the thing I'm kind of known for these days is that I've started a project to walk every block in Seattle. I started this is my COVID project. I started this a year ago, July 4th, 2020. And I can do a quick little map. Sorry, outside of the city limits, it's not prejudice or anything like that. I just need to set a limit somewhere. So you can see I stopped right at 145th on the north end and made sure I did not go past that line. And all the red are places that I've walked, and now I'm working my way south gradually to do Beacon Hill, Rainier Beach, Columbia City, and so I'm gradually working through that area. So I often get a lot of questions about that, but it's a lot of fun, and it's a chance to see the whole city. Just like our school, you want to get to know a wide variety of kids. I want to get to know a wide range of living places in the city, and so that's why I do this thing. Anything else about me? I think that's about it. Those are the basics. So if you have any questions that you want answered, you can send me an email. You can kind of see the outline to see what I'm going to talk about on Tuesday. And then if you can't make it on Tuesday, I totally understand. Then just if you have any questions or need to communicate in any way, just let me know, and I'd be happy to pass on any information that you need. So thanks for listening. My name's Dave Ellinger. I'm your son or daughter's geometry teacher this year, and I hope I can help you with any questions you have, and help smooth the year for you and your kid or kids as they're taking our classes. So thank you very much. Have a lovely day, And I hope to see many of you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.